Okay, the second content, Society of Algorithms, or what if this is no longer capitalism and we've moved on to something worse. We're joined by two guests, Jathan Sadowski and Jeffrey Mead. We're talking to Jathan about his paper on ground truths and political orders, where he'll set out the kind of importance of actuarial logics in terms of the data gaze and how these are so central now to how things are categorized and what data means. And we'll kind of unpack his very useful example there of ChatGPT. We'll talk to Jeffrey Mead, who's been working in projects that are thinking about how AI is going to be governed, or maybe how it's not going to be governed, and different ways that it's treated across political spectrums. And in the third part, I'll be introducing the really important work of Marion Fourcade and Kieran Healy with their very influential book about the ordinal society. That's a kind of really high range, wide range and kind of high conceptual way of thinking about how the importance of algorithms, AI, and data have come to very much change the fundamentals of society and the way that we relate to each other.